Should I split my home loan? Absolutely. We're getting to the bottom of an interest rate cycle. Now's the time to split. Leave some of it on short term, take advantage of those low rates. Maybe they'll go a bit lower, but put some of it on a longer term fixed rate just to protect yourself in case something goes wrong. How can I pay my mortgage off faster? Well, hey, lots of good tips here. The best thing that you can do is just pay extra on your fortnightly or monthly repayments. A lot of people do that using a revolving credit, where they just throw extra money as they have it and then pay their loan off faster. Another way of doing it, which I quite like, is splitting off a small part of your loan, because it's like eating an elephant. Split off a small part of your loan, focus on that first, because it's really motivating if you have a $50,000 chunk of your loan and you pay it off really quickly, and then do the same again, split off another 50 and then pay that off. At what age should you pay off your mortgage? 40. Nah, look, the size of these mortgages these days, you're not going to probably pay it off until you're 60 or 70. I think the biggest thing is you're going to buy your first house. You're never really going to pay the mortgage off, because you're actually just going to buy a bigger place and a bigger place and a bigger place, and you're just going to keep borrowing more money. The reality is most people now are carrying mortgage debt, if not into retirement, close to retirement, and their strategy is to sell and downsize and get their equity out that way. How long do I have to wait before I can refinance my loan for cash? Look, typically you have to wait 3 or 4 years, but it's really, really worthwhile. These cashbacks can be $5,000 or $6,000. Now think, how many hours would you have to work to earn $5,000 or $6,000 after tax? And the answer is a lot of hours, right? So spending a couple of hours working with a mortgage advisor to refinance your home loan is a really smart idea. I know it's a bit of a pain in the ass and you've got to move banks and do bits and pieces, but when you really think about it, it's worthwhile. I'm JB, that's your questions. Thanks for watching.